Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. So in this video, we'll write one important Java program to check a given number is a palindrome or not. Okay, using Java8 palindrome. So first we will take a main method. Okay, we'll create a main method and then we'll create a scanner object to take an input from console. Scanner new scanner equal to new scanner of system dot in. I'm importing the scanner class and write one sysout statement, enter a number and just declare int number equal to scanner dot next int scanner dot close if is palindrome of number system dot out dot println number is a palindrome. I'll explain the method in detail. So first I'm writing the program. So we have to create an palindrome method, else number is not a palindrome. Palindrome is not a palindrome. So if you see here, first what we are doing, we are creating a so let me complete this is palindrome method as well. So let's create a palindrome method. Public static boolean is palindrome. Public static boolean is palindrome. Int number. Now first what we need to create, we need to create a original number. Okay, so string dot value of number, whatever the number we are taking from the console, we need to convert it into the string. And then let's reverse the string. So what is a palindrome? The original and the reverse number should be equal, then we call it as a palindrome. So for that what we are doing, we are converting the number into a string. And how do we do that? How do we reverse a string? Int stream dot range closed 1 comma original dot. Okay, so first let me import into stream here. Import java.util dot stream dot into stream. Okay, into stream dot range closed 1 comma original, copy this original to here, dot length, and then on this length we need to call map to object I, and next original dot char at original dot length minus I. And then finally call on this collect. Okay, dot collect, dot original dot length minus I. On this just called to collect. So just check that original dot length minus I. This one we have map to object 2 1. Okay, map to object. And I'm just checking the method here, dot collect. Okay, collect, and finally called string builder append method, and then string builder dot new string builder dot append and string builder dot append. It will create a new string builder. Okay, so first we have created a collect method here, and then calling string builder new comma string builder append comma string builder append again, and on this just call finally to string. Actually somewhere some parenthesis is missing, I'm checking again. So first what we have to do, we have to call into stream dot range closed, and then 1 comma original length map to object I, and then I comma I and lambda original dot char at original dot length minus I dot collect string builder new string builder append and string builder append dot to string. So here we have missed parenthesis for this length method. So that is the reason we are getting the error. So finally we have created this string, and then finally return original dot equals reversed. Okay, original dot equals reversed. That should be the output of this, whether it is a palindrome or not. So this is the program. Let's see each and every line of the program. from the starting. So first import java.util.scanner. So this import, so scanner is used to take input from the user. And next one, import java.util.stream.instream. So the instream is the part of Java8 Stream API. It provides a sequence of primitive int-valued elements supporting sequential and parallel aggregate operations. So what is the purpose of the int stream? Int stream is the part of Java8 Stream API. It provides sequence of primitive int-valued elements supporting sequential and parallel aggregate operations. And then next, we have created a class Java8 Palindrome, and we have created a main method. And then, so we have created a scanner object, scanner equal to new scanner of system.in. So this object is created to read the input from the user, and system.out.println enter a number. So this is used to print the prompt message to the console. And scanner.nextInt, it reads the integer input from the user and stores it in the variable number. So scanner.next, what it will do, it will read the integer from the console and it will be stored in the integer number. And scanner.close, it closes the scanner to free up the resources. Next, if is palindrome of number, okay, if this condition is true, say that the number is palindrome. Otherwise, say that number is not a palindrome. So we'll see the method, what we have written, what is the is palindrome method. So the is palindrome method is called with the user input number to check if it is a palindrome or not. And if the method returns true, then we call that number or we print that number as a palindrome. Otherwise, it's not a palindrome. So first what we are doing, we are converting the given string into, sorry, given number into string. We are calling it as string original equal to string dot value of number. And then string reversed equal to int stream dot range closed. So what we are doing here, int string of read close. It creates int string. It creates an integer stream from 1 to the length of the original string. And next, this one map to object I lambda expression original dot char at original dot length minus I. So what this does is this will effectively reverse the string. Okay, what it will do, it will reverse the string. And finally what we are doing, we are collecting all the characters into string builder using custom collector. What we are doing, we are collecting all the characters into a string builder. And finally what we are doing, we are checking whether the original string and the reverse string are equal or not. Hope you understand. So let's run the program and see the output. So here it is asking first enter a number. I'm entering 111. And if you see, if we reverse this 111, then also we will get 111 only. Then we call these two numbers as a palindrome. Let's enter number is palindrome. Now again run the program. And here we are getting in the console a message enter a number. Enter a number 123. Is 123 a palindrome? No. When 123 is reversed, it becomes 321. Number is not a palindrome. Okay, 123 is not a palindrome. Hope you understand this video. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.